1 year ago today, I uploaded my first YouTube video. Now, 64 videos later, I've got 2,500 subscribers and over 2.5 million views. And I've actually managed to make a little bit of money in the process. So today, I thought I'd try to explain to you the top 3 things that I've learned. And then I'll follow up with what you can expect on your YouTube channel. Stay tuned. So this is the first video that I'm doing where I'm not showing you how to build something out of glass or wood, but rather how you can build your YouTube channel. Now there's a lot of videos on YouTube that talk about making money and starting your own business, and there's a lot of great tips on those. But I want to tell you the 3 that I think are the most important. The first thing is pick your passion. What motivates you? Now my passion is to rescue things. I like to save things from the alley that people throw out. Restore, repurpose, rebuild, reuse. That's my passion, and that's what I make videos about. It needs to be something that you are passionate about, that you have a lot of energy, that you can put time into. It's what you really want to do and you enjoy doing. There's not a lot of new stuff on YouTube. It's really hard to find something unique. But you know, there's only one you. So you need to put your personality in the video, your spin, your explanation. Someone may have a video out there. There may be 10 videos out there on the subject that you're going to make a video on, but there's none like yours. You might have a better explanation than someone else. The way you explain it might click with someone else. Number 2, keep doing what you love. I used to fix things and build things for years, but I've never filmed them. The videos I make now are things that I would be doing anyway because it's what I love to do. Now you should be trying to make a video at least once every 1 to 2 weeks. At the beginning, I was pumping 2, sometimes 3 videos out a week because I had so much that I wanted to say. Now, what should you expect? How long is it going to take until you actually make some money? Well, that's going to be different for everybody. It really depends on a lot of things. I'm just going to give you what happened to me. Now, I would keep track of how many subscribers I had and how many views I had each month. And here's the breakdown. So after the first month, I only had 13 subscribers and 300 views. 2 months, I had 21 subscribers and 1,400 views. 4 months, I had 31 subscribers and 3,300 views. It wasn't until about my 8th month where I actually made any money. So it's quite a long time of making videos and putting out content before you may ever see any results, any payday for all your efforts. At some point in June, one of my videos was selected as a YouTube recommended video. That's when my channel really started to take off and I got a lot of subscribers and a lot more views. But we have no control over that. What they choose to be recommended and their algorithms are entirely at their discretion. The third thing I want to talk about are the technical aspects. Now, if you're just starting out with a YouTube business and you intend to make money, don't invest a lot into the equipment. Buy yourself a reasonable camera. Even a GoPro is fine. You don't need all kinds of lighting and sound equipment. So keep the costs to a minimum because it's going to be a long time before you recoup them. Now I like using the GoPro because I can connect to it with my phone, I can check the lighting, I can watch it on my phone and make sure everything is ready to go. You can also use your phone as a voice recorder if you're doing voiceovers. Now you want to make sure that you at least have a decent movie editing system. I use iMovie. Now I don't want to invest in an expensive program when I'm not making that much money. So down the road as I make some more money, I'm probably going to invest in some better equipment. But for now, what I have is fine. My total investment is less than $400. So you don't have to spend a lot of money to make money. So what should you expect on your YouTube channel? What you experience might be completely different from mine. I didn't get my first payday until September 21st, 8 months after I started. Now the only way you're going to get paid from YouTube is if you monetize your videos. Now some people say that you shouldn't monetize right away. They say that you should establish your channel and then turn on monetization, which basically just means that they're going to put ads on your videos. So I turn on monetization right away. You never know when one of your videos is going to hit or click with some, wider audience. So you don't get paid from YouTube directly. You actually get paid through Google's AdSense. Until you make more than $100, you're not going to get paid. How much do you actually get paid? Let's just say you hit 1 million views. How much money does that mean in your pocket? Well, to cut to the chase, it's about $1,100 bucks. $2,000 is your total earnings. However, YouTube takes 45% and you get 55%. They get $900, you get $1,100. It takes time. We're not all Casey Neistats with 4 million views within the first 24 hours of releasing a video. It starts out very slow. Your channel might start out slow, might start out fast. Who knows? It really depends on the content, how good it is, how many people tune in. But don't give up. I hope I taught you a few things from my experience. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to Alley Picked. See you next time. You should be doing a video at least once. You should be doing at least a video a week. You should be doing a video at least one every week or two. You should be doing a video at least